Hi guys, let me introduce you to our new product. It's Choppybike. It's probably the latest bike in the market for sure. It's made of plywood and lightweight materials like polymers. No screws. It can be assembled without using any tools. It's so easy that everyone can do it. Let me show you how it's made. So first of all, we have the steering. You can adjust as the child grows. You can adjust the angle of it. So the base turns bigger as the child grows. You can adjust this seat, which is flexible. It makes the run for children a lot of fun because it's bouncy and it's good for their backs. Of course, when the child grows, you can change the height. Let me show you. It's very simple. You just open up here. You see? And you flip it over like that and put it back inside. One click, another click. So you see, it's kind of a small distance, but it makes a big difference. And let's change the height of the seat. It's very simple. Click, you open it up. And here, as plywood is very flexible material, you just open it up and you see, you just put it in. And again, you make the click, the click thing. It's done, ready to go. And one more thing, I want to tell you about the packaging, because this bike comes in a box. We pack a product inside a product, so you give additional value to it, so you don't throw it away, and you can reuse it with activities linked to the children and have a fun. So basically, the inside of the box is a nice game with two functions. Children can take their small cars and have fun driving through, or you have a nice road with some small icons. And it's a game you can play together, parents with the children. Just take a paper. It's a drawing challenge. When you stop on an icon, for example, with a kitty on it, you just take and learn how to draw it. And that's basically it. Balance bike for kids, Choppy bike.